Okay, so we've got some interesting information coming out of GoPro, and it kind of ties in a little bit with one of my previous videos about a possible spring release for the HERO14. So if you haven't watched that video, check that out after this one. Now, what GoPro has done is they've teased an image, a screen grab from one of its new cameras showing off its low light performance. Now, as anyone knows, one of the things that people have been demanding from GoPro cameras is much better low light performance. This is important because GoPro has been losing ground to the likes of Insta360 and DJI in the terms of overall image performance, and the new GP3 processor, which is going to feature in the new cameras, is absolutely crucial for getting GoPro back on track and truly competitive with the likes of Insta360 and DJI. In fact, I think it's so crucial that I believe that the HERO14 will be one of the most important releases that GoPro has ever made, and it needs to be right. Now, it's only a single image and we can't really tell a whole lot from it, but the indication is that the GP3 processor will indeed offer a generational leap in performance from the previous GP2. Now, the big question is whether there will be a similar generational leap in terms of the sensor that GoPro uses in the new camera as well, and that will be important too. At the moment, I'm not sure if there is a sensor in the Sony lineup that GoPro could use, so maybe they've gone elsewhere, or perhaps they're going to be using a new Sony sensor that hasn't been released to market yet. But interestingly, GoPro did say that the image represented the low light performance in its next generation of cameras, as in plural. So this could mean a couple of things. It could just be generalizing about its cameras that are going to be released over the next few years in terms of the general Hero lineup, or it could be in reference to the potential for multiple cameras this year. And GoPro has announced before that it is going to be doing more staggered releases throughout the year. So this brings up some intriguing possibilities. For example, could we see a HERO14 this spring, and then a more pro-orientated action camera later on in the year, maybe something more dedicated to vlogging? It's going to be really interesting to see what GoPro comes up with. But one thing for sure is that 2026 is shaping up to be another interesting year for the likes of GoPro, Insta360 and DJI. You know, we have the Ace Pro 3 potentially being released this spring as well. We've got the DJI Pocket 4, which is likely forthcoming too, and Insta360 has also teased that it is working on a very similar camera to DJI's Pocket series as well. So 2026, it's going to be an interesting year, and I'll keep you up to date. So this is only a short one today, just to keep you updated on things. And if you like what I do, as always, please do like and subscribe and share these videos. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.